Sarde a Beccafico. Sarde a Beccafico. A dish older than the country it is cooked in. From Palermo, on the northern shore of Sicily, where fishing families have taken the smallest silver fish from the sea and folded them, one by one, into something worthy of a feast. They call this cucina povera, the cooking of the poor. But do not mistake poor for plain. Here, humble sardines are dressed in toasted breadcrumbs, sweet raisins, pine nuts, and a whisper of orange. Sweet against savory, briny against bright. It asks only for patience and a gentle hand, and it gives back far more than it takes. Servings 4. 30 minutes of preparation, 20 minutes of cooking. Total time 50 minutes. 16 whole sardines, butterflied and opened like small books. 1 cup of golden breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/2 cup of orange juice, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 12 bay leaves, salt, and black pepper. First, the oven. Warm it to 375 degrees. Brush a baking dish with olive oil until it shines. Then the breadcrumbs. Into a dry pan over a low flame. Let them toast. Stir them slowly and wait for the color to turn to gold. When the kitchen begins to smell of warm bread, they are ready. Now the raisins. Warm them in the orange juice. Just a few minutes until they swell and soften and grow plump with sweetness. Then lift them out and keep the orange juice close. You will want it again at the very end. In a wide bowl, bring it all together. The toasted breadcrumbs, the plumped raisins, the pine nuts, a little more olive oil, salt, and pepper. Fold it gently with your fingers until it holds, loose and fragrant. This is the heart of the dish. The sweetness of the fruit, the richness of the nuts, the toasted grain. Taste it. It should make you close your eyes. Now, the sardines. Lay each one open, skin side down, on the board. Place a spoonful of the stuffing at the center and roll slowly from the tail toward the head until the little fish curls in on itself, tucked and tight. They say it should look like a small bird resting. Do this 16 times. There is no rushing this part. There was never meant to be. Settle the rolls into the dish, side by side, shoulder to shoulder, so they hold one another upright. Then, between each one, slide a bay leaf, standing tall, green against silver, The leaves will breathe their perfume into the fish as they bake. Pack them close. They keep each other whole. A last drizzle of olive oil, then the orange juice you saved, poured over the top. Into the oven they go for 20 minutes until the fish is tender and the breadcrumbs turn deep and crisp and brown. When they come out, the whole room is warm with citrus and sea. History and cultural origins. The name comes from a bird, the Beccafico, the fig pecker, a tiny songbird that grew fat on figs and grapes at the end of summer. Sicily's noble families roasted them whole as a delicacy. The poor could not afford such a thing, so they took sardines, rolled them tail up until they too looked like little birds, and ate like lords for the price of the sea. Look closer, and you taste another history. The raisins, the pine nuts, the sweet meeting the savory, what Sicilians call agrodolce. This is the gift of the Arabs, who ruled the island for more than 200 years. They carried dried fruit and sugar and citrus across the sea and left them in the Sicilian kitchen, where they have lived ever since. Before the 9th century, none of this was here. No raisins folded into fish, no orange, no sweet against the salt. Then, in the year 827, ships came from the south, and Sicily changed. New hands, new spices, new ways. The old dish opened itself to them and became something new, without ever forgetting what it was. In Sicily, this is not weekday food. Sarde a Beccafico belongs to the feast, to the table of San Giuseppe, St. Joseph's Day in the first breath of spring, to weddings, to the long Sunday gatherings where the whole family leans in. It is a dish made to be shared with more people than the kitchen can comfortably hold. And so it is served on a wide platter at room temperature, the way it has always been eaten, with a wedge of lemon and a little more sun. Sarde a Beccafico is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived poverty and empire and the slow forgetting of time. It survives because it was never trying to be impressive. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.